Hey there, so here's Artifact News app, and they just released a new cool feature which is called Summaries, where basically if you just tap in the AA icons in the app, you can summarize the article using AI. So if you're reading some long article, sometimes it's just really hard to read all of it, and with AI, like similar with ChatGPT, you can just tap, and then it will just summarize the long article in the paragraph. We can also change the style of the summary by selecting three dots in the upper right corner of the summary. With this style selection, you can have it generate a simpler summary, like explain like M5, summary made of only emoji, a summary is the poem, like all of these things with the which you can have like using ChatGPT. And then so it should be available somewhere here in the top right. So here you have reader mode. But yeah, seems to access this feature, you just need to update the app. So if you just go to probably you just need to update. And then you can just tap to summarize, and then just tap summarize. So here you just see that. So yeah, you can just see it's pretty cool summary, and then you just tap again and tap summarize, and there you have it. And then you can just say explain like M5 emoji, poem, it's pretty cool for like Gen Z. Something like that. I think it's actually a pretty cool feature. Instead of reading the whole article, you can just do this. Really nice.